Toss. Now let's see who will win the toss. India or Sri Lanka? India won the toss. Elect to bat first. Sorry, Sri Lanka won the toss. Give the bowling. Take the bowling and give the batting to the Indians. Sri Lanka won the toss. Elect to bowl first. 10 over contest, 10 over match. First ball playing by the Rohit Sharma at the leg side. Comfortably take the 2 runs. Surya Kumar Yadav and Rohit Sharma are big hitters. Vasundhu Hasaranga take the first over. Sweep by the Rohit Sharma. Again 2 run. 10 over match. Very interesting between the two Asian team. India and the Sri Lanka. Oh, sweep. What happens? Appeal is going on by the Vasundhu Hasanga. Now let's see. Is Sri Lanka take the review? Sri Lanka is take the review. Oh, Sri Lankan review. Sri Lankan review. Oh, pitching outside leg. Final decision not out. Sri Lanka lost the review. 3 balls at the 4 runs. Oh, ball in the air at the cover. Way first 6 by the Rohit Sharma. First boundary at the form of 6. Oh, again. Out. Review. Original decision is out. Rohit Sharma take the review. Oh. Pitching off. Impact outside off. Final decision not out. Great luck with the Indians. What happened at the first over? 2 reviews. One by the Sri Lanka, one by the Indians. All are in the favor of India. Oh, great shot. First review 6. Second review 4. 2 over 23 for 0. Great start by the India team. Sweep by the Rohit Sharma. Oh, wicket by the Angelou Matthews. Rohit Sharma is gone on the 18 runs at the 10 balls. Go again. Oh, flick. Boundary. Great 4 by the Surya Kumar Yadav. 3.2 overs. 37 for 1.
Yep.
1 wicket has fallen off Rohit Sharma. Now, Pathirana. Is bowling stop or not? Surya Kumar take the 2 runs. Come on, Surya Kumar Yadav. Come on, Virat Kohli. Yeah. 10 over match. Small match. Again. Out. Pathirana take the wicket. At the long off. Surya Kumar Yadav is gone now. 12 runs.
Yep.
Face 9 balls. 37 balls remaining at the first inning. Again, sweep by Rishabh Pant at the first ball. Ball please stop. Due to the wet outfield, 3 run take by the Rishabh Pant at the first ball. 3.5 over, India 13. Sorry, 4 over is gone. India 42 for 2. How much run made at that surface? Above 110, 120 is sufficient. Rishabh Pant is out. D. Shanaka take the wicket. But a great over by the Sri Lankan. 3 balls, 1 wicket, 2 dots. Sweep by Yuzvendra Chahal. Come on, 2 runs are taken. Great over done by the D. Shanaka. 5 over 46 for 3. And Thusara is coming. Now first ball is 5 overs are remaining. Ball in the air. Safe. No fielder is there. One run is taken. Great comeback by the Sri Lanka after conceding the 23 run at 2 overs. Now 47-43 Indians. Oh, great ball. What a slow by the Anthusa. What a ball. Yajuvendra Chahal, 4 runs, 6 balls. Doesn't give the India too much. Oh, sweet. Oh, luck. Only took the 1 run. Don't give the too much space to the Indian batsman. Come on, Yajuvendra Chahal. 5.5 overs. This over is only 2 runs at the 5 balls. Fielder is under a 6. Virat Kohli. What a 6 after a long time. At the run rate of 24 out. Yajuvendra Chahal is out. Madhushanka take the wicket. Cotton Bolt. Hardik Pandya is coming. What the Pandya is doing? Just take the wicket. What he do? Oh. What a style of playing. First ball. 2 run take by the Hardik Pandya. What a style. Just take the team to the high pitch. How much total? Given by the Indians. How much total? Above 90, above 100. On the Indian batting. Oh. Difficult for the India to score at that pitch. It seems to be after the first inning. What happened to the second inning? Match is in the Bombay. Pitch is very hard. Oh, very difficult for the players to play this game. Virat Kohli is on the 16. It is the very much important for the Indian team that Virat Kohli is at the crease till the last over. This two player Hardik Pandya and the great all-rounder Virat Kohli, the run machine. If this partnership, if these two players are on the crease till the 10 hours, it will make a great difference between the winning between the Indian nation. As usual, appeal by the Madhushanka. To review our India and Sri Lanka have one review. Sri Lanka took the review.
Pitching outside leg.
Outside leg. Final decision not out. 2 reviews are locked by the Sri Lanka. Now 3 overs are remaining. Virat Kohli. Let's see what Kohli does. Ball is in the air, out. Virat Kohli out. Vivas Kant. At the ball of Vivas Kant. Virat Kohli out. Very much needed India to score above the 90 run to put the pressure on wide ball. Jadeja and Hardik Pandya, 2 all-rounder. Spinning all-rounder, fast bowler all-rounder. Wicket. Jaddu is out at the 0. Jaddu is out at the 0. It seemed to be very difficult for the India to score at the high rate. If India won this game, there is very much needed for that 2 batsmen. Jadeja is out, sorry. Rinku Singh is coming. No fielder is there at the 3rd fine leg. Fielder is behind the ball. 3 runs taken by the Rinku Singh. Here 1 run, 2 runs are much important for the India. This is like a bonus point, bonus run for the Indian. 15 balls are only remaining. Oh, six. Hardik Pandya took the charge for the base count. Release the pressure after the 2 wicket at the ball. Again. Wait, oh, luck. One bounce and ball is in the hand of the fielder. 7.5, 72 run for 6. What the Rinku Singh is doing? Again safe. Again safe. 2 run out by Rinku Singh. 7.5 overs. 74 run for 6. What Rinku Singh are doing? Again. Great boundary by the Hardik Pandya. Hardik Pandya take the charge, take the responsibility of flick. Again flick. At the cover of ball is top. This is the most important run for the Hardik Pandya. Great all-rounder. That's why India believe in the Hardik Pandya too much. Due to that capability of Hardik Pandya. Rinku Singh, come on. Now let's see where ball is top. India took the 3 run at least. The run of the Hardik Pandya, 9 balls, 24 runs. Due to this, India must comfortably reach to the weight on all ball in the air. Safe again. 2 run command, 27. 90 run. Put on the board and 9.2 overs. Chance for India to score at least 10 to 15 runs. Oh, again a wicket. Wow. Oh, Mahesh Tikshana took the wicket. Wow, what a wicket. Again. Akshadip is coming. 2 run take at that ball by the Arshdeep.
Yep.
Strike given to the Hardik Pandya is much better for the Arshdeep despite of taking that hole. Capability of Hardik Pandya was out. What Arshdeep is doing? Give the strike to the Hardik Pandya. Who last ball? Hardik Pandya is away from the strike. Hardik Pandya is away from the strike. 2 wickets are gone. Ball in the air. Oh, safe. 1 run is only taken by the India. 93 for 8. No problem. Now first India want to defend. 94 runs. Sorry, 93 runs. First ball. First ball wicket. Woo! Kushal Mendis is out. Great. Wow. Required run rate is 9.56. Second ball. What a wicket by the Kuldeep Yadav. What a move by the Rohit Sharma. Give the ball to the spinner. Which spinner? Chinaman spinner. Ball is going to the pitch. Take a wicket. 1 for 1. Is anybody thing? That first ball, India took the wicket. Wow. Again, sweep by the Nissanka. 0.3 ball. 2 singles, 1 wicket. Come on, Kuldeep Yadav. One more. 5 balls, 3 runs, 1 wicket. Rajapaksha. Sweep. 1 over, 4 runs. Great over by the India. Great start by the Indian bowling. Boom, Bumrah is coming. Required run rate 10.08. Bumrah. Fielder is going behind the ball. Come on, India, come on. 1.2 balls. If single ball, single dot ball, put the pressure on the Sri Lankans. It is a 10-over contest. Much needed for the Sri Lanka to take the risk, to take the boundary. Otherwise, run rate is flowing over, pressure is flowing over. Last bonus run by the Hardik Pandya put the total of 93 runs at the board. Despite of having the last, Pandya doesn't play any ball. Come on, come on, come on. 2.4 overs. 11 for 1. 3 overs. 13 for 1. Arshdeep is coming. Golden arm boy. Oh. Rishabh Pant is behind the ball. Come on, Rishabh. Pick the ball. Come on, Rishabh Pant. As usual, Rishabh Pant is a great wicket keeper. All but know the capability of Rishabh Pant. Each and everybody knows what is the capability of Rishabh Pant. Come on, Rishabh. You can do it. "42 balls, 81 run to be defend. 81 run to be defend. India knows how to manage this score. Oh. Come on, come on, come on. Wow, only one run is given. The run rate is found. Again, fielder behind the ball. What the Sri Lanka are doing? Indian spinners took a great job. Very great job. Very great job by the Indians. Hardik Pandya is coming. One run take by the Hardik Pandya. 5 overs, 22 for 1. Oh. Again one. Again one. Oh, no. There is much pressure. 18.2. Oh, again. Single only. Single only. Sri Lanka 34 for 1 at 8.3. Defend 3 runs. India won this game comfortably. 57 runs defend at the 3 balls. Sri Lanka lose this game. Very easily India won this game. Very easily. Great Hardik Pandya. Congratulations India. Poor batting by the Sri Lanka. Nisanka, Rajapaksa, 18 and 32 balls. Last ball is coming. 56 runs is needed.
Wait there.
Oh, single only. India won this game easily. Very good enough to win this game at a great margin.